Hey, what's up, Danny here, and welcome to my channel and another video. Today I'm back with another unboxing. I finally got the Ateez Spin Off from the Witness album. I ordered all versions. I'm not sure if they're all in here. It looks like one. But I ordered a special version, and I think that's version A and version Z. I'm not sure. I have to check. But yes. So let's see. So this is what I got in a box. They're so tiny. What the hell? This is so cute. I don't even know. Is that what version A and version Z looks like? It's so small. The smallest kpop thing I've ever gotten. But anyway, I guess I got some pre-order goodies. So I got Yulsung with the birthmark. Everyone was raving over. Like, honestly, his vocals in Halazia are amazing. Like, everyone was crying over it. So yes. And then I got Wooyoung with his red hair, which I absolutely love. It fits so perfectly. It's like he stands out so much with, you know, when he's like in the music video and just in general performances. He stands out so much with the hair. I love it. And then we also got Mingi with his fire hair, which I also love. So look at this. I love those. So yes, these are the pre-order ones. They're all the same like quality. They're kind of see-through but not really see-through thing, because I got the same with the Stray Kids because I ordered it off Amazon, but it's like the same seller on Amazon, and I guess this is kind of their thing. So I actually really love that. I love this. It's the really cool paper. So I love it. So yes, anyway, that's pre-orders. So I guess I'm gonna look at those little ones first. This is funny as hell. I think it's like a digital version because obviously there's not gonna be a CD in here. But that's cute. So yes, let's start with this one. I don't know which version this is. No wonder I thought I only got one album, because you can barely see this. So, oh wait, I'm so confused. This is the funniest thing. This is just so cool. I love it. So when you open it once, you get like the songs. Ooh, I got San. Oh my god, there is a CD. Oh my god, it's so small. Wow, welcome to the fucking new times. You know, as someone who has been here for like 30 plus years, this is amazing. So yes, okay, anyway, so we can see that there's a photo card. Why does it have a QR code on the back? I feel like I'm not supposed to show this on here, so it's like an actual card. It's like a credit card. It's not just like paper, it's an actual card. So I don't know what that's supposed to be, but yes, it's got San on it. Maybe it's like some digital code, because it's kind of, I don't know, whatever. I love it. It's like you can see it's really thick compared to like the pre-orders. It's like the same thickness to the 3 pre-order cards, so it's like credit card. So that's interesting. And then here we have the CD. It's so small. I love it. Like, you know, going from like LPs that are like this big to the CDs to the mini discs, mini LPs, and then now you have CDs like this. It's just so cute. I don't even actually listen to CDs anymore, so I don't know why I'm getting all these albums, but it's fun. Anyway, so you get some goodies. I first have to see that I'm not showing something I'm not supposed to show. So I guess you get, it's called Polka Album. I don't even know what that means. I'm not very I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. So I guess you get another superstar card to get I haven't opened this app in a long time, so I'm just gonna add this real quick when I'm done with this. You get a little credit booklet. Everything's so small, it's so weird. I'm not used to this. You get some stickers, so you get this, and you get this one. Wait, this way, sorry. So stickers, they're so tiny, so cute. And I get another one of those. Oh, so it's a code. So the thing on the credit card on the back, the code, it says this. So I don't even know what the fave code is. I haven't sewed it up today. But anyway, it's another card. This time it's Chongo. So it's just like credit cards. They're like the same material as a credit card. So I get San and Chongho in this kind of style with the code on the back. I don't know, I have to look into this. And then we have 2 more photo cards. So I can put them together, can I? Ooh, that's cool. So you can actually, if you have more photo cards, you can type the whole spin-off from the witness. So one more is missing here. So, but anyway, so this one is another red-haired Wooyoung, which I am happy about. Love it. Look, he's so cute. So, yes. And the other one is San. So we got Wu-san. Hehe. Love it. So here we go. These are regular photo cards, so the same material as normal photo cards, and these 2 are the credit card kind of thing. So this is what I got in this box, in this tiny little cute box, which is that's everything. That's what you get. So it's so cute. I don't know, I cannot get over it. I don't know why San has a special place on here and the other one was in here. I don't know what that means, but okay, so this is the first album. It's so cute. I'm sorry, but there's I've never gotten this small of an album, so I'm kind of here for it. It doesn't take that much space, so. But anyway, so that's the first one. And now let's look into the other one. I don't know which version this is. It doesn't say anywhere if it's version, I think it's A and Z. I'm not sure. So this one's the black one. Technically they're both black, so it doesn't really matter. It's just that thing that is different color. Right, so that's the other one. It just says spin off from the witness on here. So let's see. Now I know that there is a photo card, so let's see. So we have Yusung. That's such a good photo. Look at him. He's so pretty. I actually didn't know he had a birthmark. I'm gonna be completely honest, like I've only been 18 for like, I think like Kingdom really got me into them, but I've been like a baby 18 before that, so yes, since 21. But never knew he had a birthmark, like that's how much I knew. And then we just get his birthmark and everyone's like raving about it, and I didn't know about it, so on here you don't actually see it. So yes, that's the credit card thing again with the code on the back. And then again the mini disc, I think that's what it's called, is it? Mini disc? God, I'm not like, I've been so used to like Spotify that I don't even like, I don't know anything anymore. So anyway, so that's just that. And then again we get like the paper stuff with the track, like the credits, whatever, another thing for the Superstar app. Then again we get stickers. I think they're, no wait, this one's the same. This one's the same as we got before, so that's not any different, so they're both the same. However, this sticker, the other one, is different. So we got that one in the other box and this one here, so they're different. So we got all their names on here, plus 18, and here it says Ateez and 18. So there's that. And then I got another of those cards. I don't know if I'm supposed to show the thing or not. I don't know. I don't really actually care. So, but we got another Jongho. So in this one we get these two, or I got these two. And again, you can actually make the whole title if you get another one. So can I actually do it with the other? Actually I can. So cool. So if I use the Wuyang from the other box, I can actually make the whole title now from the back. But yeah, so we get another fire Mingy. Look at him, how he's cozy in the blanket. So I really love that hair. He's got like little braids here. That's cute. And the other one is Yosang again. It's interesting how I am not getting any of my biases yet. I mean, I love all of them. These are my bias wreckers if we go K-pop talk. And my biases are Hongchung and Songhwa, but so far I got none of them. So anyway, so these are the little mini disc versions, polka versions as they are called, I think. So yes, so we got those. And now we're gonna look at the special version. I forgot what it is, but let's see. So it looks like this. So again, it's got one of those things to hold it together, so I have to try to get this off without, yikes, breaking anything. The feather fell out, so here we go. So this is what it is inside. So you get like this feather thing, which is really cool. I like it. And then obviously the photo book, which I'm gonna make a flip through in a second. There's some stuff inside. So yes, this is like the photo book. So I'm just gonna do a flip through in the end. Then there's stickers. These are the same. I think there's the same pictures. I like my brain is not here. Where did I put it? Why am I dumb today? What is wrong with me? Where did I put? Oh, here. So yes, like those pictures, they're the same on here as well, just bigger. So these are just stickers, the similar and same stickers, just bigger version. Then we have a poster, which I'm not sure if I can show. Oh, I can show. Look at them. Wow. So this is the poster. Look at all of them. They will look so good. So good. This music video was amazing. I loved it so much. Fire. So yes. And that's that. And then there's the CD, the normal regular CD. And in the... So again, you get the code for the app. And another one. Whatever this is. Code, whatever. So there's a lot of like promotional stuff in there all the time. So, and then now we have 3 photo cards. So the first one is Yuno. I don't have Yuno yet either, so he's cute, look at him. Then we have, yes, Hongchung. So that means I need to get Songhwa in here. This is not gonna be fair. Probably not getting Songhwa, because I just know my luck. So let's see. Yes, it's San again. I don't actually mind because I love him. So no Songhwa in this at all, but at least I got my boy. Love him. I love him. So I guess I got everyone then other than Songhwa in this 3 boxes. So I just put them to the other photo cards. So let's just rewind for a second. Okay, so the pre-order photo cards. Those credit card photo cards. And the regular photo cards. So that's a lot, so I'm happy about this. So that's all photo cards, yay. And then this feather and all the stickers and the poster. So that's, I'm just gonna put everything in here, just keep it safe. And then we have these. So I'm just gonna do a flip through of the photo book now for everyone who's interested. Alright, so this was everything. This has been spin-off from The Witness by Ateez, and the special version, whatever it's called, I forgot, and then versions Z and I have no idea. So yes, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!